Wind warning. Issued at Tuesday 3:14 p.m. December 24th, 2024. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Very strong wind gusts that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Where Chilcotin in near coastal mountains, including Tatlayoko Lake and Anahim Lake. When, now until this evening. Remark, a low-pressure center off the coast of BC is giving strong winds to the region. Strong southerly winds gusting up to 100 kilometers per hour are expected to happen near Anahim Lake and area west of Big Creek near the coastal mountains through most of today. The wind will ease this evening. Hashtag. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. High winds may result in power outages and fallen tree branches. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to beakstorm@ec.gc.ca or tweet reports using hashtag BCStorm.